If you don't put yourself on that pedestal, how do you expect other people to put you on that pedestal?
Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
So y'all already know by the title, I'm doing a maintenance vlog. The hair just, it's giving mushroom. It's probably giving mushroom. I'm doing a reset, hair, nails, some self-care shopping, hygiene shopping, things like that that I need. So just sit back, relax, vibe with me.
I believe everything we have a last. We young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Love this sunscreen because it doesn't leave a white cast on my face. It's very hydrating and moisturizing, but it's not like extra oily because I have oily skin, and after a while I get greasy. So
Myself, it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still.
okay, the hair is blow dried. I don't put oils in my hair because my hair is so oily naturally. So this is it dry, but I am about to get dressed and I will see y'all basically whenever I get to my hair appointment. Finally made it to my hair appointment. I'm about to go in and get these braids done, these leisure keys. I tried to pull my edges out a little just where she didn't swoop them up. I mean, if she leave extra edges out, that's fine. But this is the minimum. I don't want all my hair back and no braids. So I'll just watch my girl work. Because I already know it's going to be fine. The work is fine. And if you inside of Augusta, Georgia, hit my girl Leah.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wait me back.
Love it up, baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna hug you out. Take me for a ride, show me why. baby. Just one time, 2 times, a few times. You know that I need it to me, baby, right on time. Baby, bring it to me, I'm putting it overtime and overdrive.
Give me low, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's mine, and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some more. You ready to down low like bombs, to red boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Believe me.
Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too talking about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get right.
Good morning. I really don't even want to get on camera right now because boyfriend just pissed me off so bad. But we're here for the monthly reset. Day 2. Today is March 9th. And I'm going to get my nails done. I'm going to do some shopping. Because I need some retail therapy, y'all. This week has been so stressful.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, my body. My body says it. My mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says I know.
My nails came out so cute, y'all. Like, they are so adorable. And she did really good. She took her time. I just got like a little short set because, like I told y'all before, I don't really do acrylic nails unless like I know that I'm not gonna have like I need to have the security for them, because I don't really like wearing nails with my baby. Like, this is my first time actually getting my nails done since having her, and she just turned 6 months old. So yeah. But I realized while I was sitting there, like literally every time I get my nails done or I'm doing something that has to deal with dust, I always, for some reason, I'm wearing black. Like right now I have on these black pants. Like I have on this gray shirt, but it's not gonna show up as it is on my pants. Like, my pants are dusty as hell right now. I was gonna go to Walmart to get a tripod for y'all, or dang, I cannot talk. Or a car, what is it called? The car mount to put y'all on, because I have one for my phone, but I need one for my camera. So I think that's what I'm gonna do after I get my eyebrows done really quickly, because that's the last piece of maintenance I need. And I really do I want to get my eyebrows done? Because every time I get my eyebrows done, y'all, I kid y'all not, my skin bumps up so bad. Like, and it don't be like cystic bumps, but they be like little bumps up underneath my skin, and I don't like that. So I might not get my eyebrows done. They don't even look that bad. I might just razor them. I might go to the hair store real quick and get a razor for them. My nails came out so cute. Like, I literally just had like some inspo, and I told her just do her thing. Like, do whatever you think would look best, and that's what she did. She really did really good, y'all. Like, this is my first time going to her. My little sister usually goes to her. That's her nail tech. My nail tech was just so busy, and I didn't want to call her for a squeezing appointment because I know that she has a life outside of being a nail tech. So I had booked with my sister's tech. So Tavia, if you're seeing this, babe, I love you always, and I'm so sorry for cheating on you. Like, this entire weekend, I just decided to do some maintenance on myself, do some self-care, because as a mom, like, even though my daughter needs for nothing, I always feel like I have to do for her, or I have to do for my house. Like, instead of paying the $50 I just paid for my nails, I could have put that towards a bill. You know what I'm saying? Like, my priorities are in order, but sometimes I have to like do self-care for myself to where I feel like beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know I'm pretty, I know I'm beautiful, I know I got self-worth, but when I get my hair and my nails done, like, I just feel like a whole new, like, and it's just like another level of confidence in myself. Like, I be feel like a bad bitch. Like, people tell me like I talk with my hands a lot, which I do. And if you watch my other videos without my nails on, I still like do a lot of this. But whenever I have my nails on, child, you gonna see this work. I ain't pay all this money for nothing. I hate driving in the rain, y'all. I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one that hates driving in the rain. But my hair is done. It's still laid, really. Can you focus? Can you focus? I didn't touch up my edges. Literally, whatever you put on my edges yesterday that still got my edges. People in Augusta cannot drive to save their lives. I really just be girl mathing it for real, because I feel like if I pay for it in cash, I didn't really pay for it at all. Like, it was really free. Is anybody else like that? Or if I return something and get a refund, that's free money. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's money that I can spend now, because I didn't have that money. They gave me that money. I didn't have that money, even though I paid for it originally. But if I returned it and I got money back, that's free money. I really gotta throw some of these cups in the trash, for real. Like, I just be moving them from place to place. Thank you. Let me find the nearest gas station so I can throw this out. Hold on, brief intermission. I don't go nowhere without my Miyoki. You Stanley Cup girls could never make me hate them. I don't care. I like my Miyoki in bed. Alright, let me stick this. I just need something to put on my stomach because I ain't eat all day. And it's about to be 5 o'clock. I'm not sure when I'll see y'all next time, but I'm about to go to my in-laws' house. This may or may not be the end of this maintenance vlog. So if it is, thank you for tuning in and staying tuned and watching me turn to a bed. Just a little self-care because I rarely do anything nice for myself, and this is my year to be selfish. Even though I have a daughter, I'm going to show her and teach her that self-love is necessary in this world. You cannot do anything if you don't love yourself, if you don't care for yourself, if you don't put yourself on that pedestal. How do you expect other people to put you on that pedestal? Love y'all. Drop them purple hearts inside the comments. Y'all already know what the gang is. And y'all put in the comments like what I should name, like what I should call y'all. Like, I'm not gonna say like my fan base, but my supporters. Give me some suggestions in the comments, or y'all can DM it to me. Yeah, just DM me. I'm probably gonna put a poll up later this week to see what I should call y'all. So y'all stay tuned for what's coming next, cause the next couple of months it's up, y'all. I can't lie. Love you.